Just before the function started, the Lord Chancellor was asking me about what is the position of digitization in India. Friends, under again the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, India started its journey for digitization, and we are at a stage where, as on date, India has 760 million mobile internet users, and we are adding one new user every 3 seconds. That's the position of our country on digitization. Now, justice is delivered literally at the doorstep because of the digitization. Our country, Bharat, is not only behind anyone, but is leading the world in terms of digital payment. And I would be very happy to share with you that the total digital payments which are made in India, because of, again, the visionary leadership, is 7 times that of United States of America and European Union put together. Our digital payment is 3 times the population of China. Friends, digitization has not only helped the Indian judiciary and the Indian administration of justice system, but it has helped the humanity, because the goal of the government is not just justice as per the legal books, but justice, social, political, and economical. And social justice is impossible without providing for a good health mechanism to the nation. When the world faced the COVID pandemic, which was one of the biggest human tragedy in the history of known world, India not only developed its own indigenous vaccines, but the government of India administered 2.2 billion vaccine doses free of cost, which is equal to 2.5 times the combined population of United States and European Union put together. It is nothing but a miracle which was possible only because of digitization. Friends, we know we have 25,000 district courts, 21,000 district courts, I stand corrected, 25 high courts and the Supreme Court. Every document in every court is now available in the digitized format by and large, and any common man is able to access what is lying in the courtroom. It has become a matter of past as to whether a litigant was also not knowing what has happened to his matter. Now, anyone can know anything, and that's the level of transparency our digitized judicial system has achieved. The government has also formulated a new policy based on digitization, which is called tele-law. This tele-law virtually and literally brings the justice at the doorstep of the last man standing in the line, by providing him with an opportunity and a platform to just dial one number, and he would get a free legal advice of eminent lawyers who have been persuaded to work pro bono. Now, there would not be any citizen who would be deprived of his rights because of lack of legal advice. The Supreme Court has also started its own initiative under the very visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Justice of India, and now we are in the e-era, by the Chief Justice's court being completely paperless court. The Supreme Court of India has started a platform called Supreme Court Vidhik Anuvad Software, acronym being SUVAS, which on a real-time basis is capable of translating the judgment, order and documents of the Supreme Court in 9 vernacular languages, which is a miracle by itself. Friends, Bharat is the present and the future of the world. Even during COVID period between 2019 and 2022, where the capital of every country was draining out of the country, our country got the maximum foreign direct investment, and people are trusting our country even for legal adjudication. And these 2 days program is a beginning of an era whereby we will be able to share our system with our counterparts, and the counterparts will share their system with India. But we as the legal fraternity will have to be fully and completely ready to meet with the challenges which comes with the global leadership which the Honorable Prime Minister has brought to our nation. More and more litigation will come. More and more people, litigants, would trust our administration of justice system, particularly mediation and arbitration. And we, as the legal fraternity members, will have to rise to that occasion, that our country continues to be the future of the world.
लीगल रिपोर्टर के सभी वीडियो को देखने के लिए लीगल रिपोर्टर को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन बटन जरूर दबाएं।